Good morning, boys and girls. Today we're going to be talking about wool. We'll be looking at where wool comes from and what we use wool for. Can you think about what we use wool for? Let's start by thinking about some of the clothes we wear. A lot of our winter clothes are made from wool. But where does wool come from? And how does it get turned into the warm clothes we wear when it's cold? If you said wool comes from sheep, you're right. Let's have a look at how it all happens. Sheep live on farms in big grassy paddocks. You have probably seen sheep in big groups together, and that's because sheep really like being with other sheep. A large group of sheep is called a flock. Sheep normally eat grass, but in Australia we sometimes go through droughts when there's no rain for a really long time. If this happens, the farmer gives them hay to eat. Farmers also make sure the sheep have plenty of clean water to drink. Farmers often check their sheep to make sure none are sick or injured. If they are unwell, they will be treated, and sometimes a vet comes to help. Sheep have thick fur called wool. It grows continuously, just like our hair does. Wool is cut once a year, which is called shearing. Shearing used to be done by hand clippers, but now electric shears are used which make it much quicker. The wool is cut close to the sheep's skin and comes off in one piece called a fleece. The rough edges of the fleece are trimmed and it is checked for quality. It can then be sold. In factories, the wool is washed, spun into threads, and dyed into lots of colours. The yarn can then be knitted into clothes or woven into cloths and rugs. Pure wool is a valuable material for people. It keeps us warm in winter and cool in summer. It is also flame resistant, so can't catch on fire. Can you think of any other uses for wool?